morning everybody. Let's go check out what we got going on in the shop today. We're building a rustic hickory kitchen. It's going to be stained pecan and it's just about ready to go out. So let's go take a look at the shop and get an idea how we're making out on that job. See you in there. Things are coming along pretty good. We've got the doors just about done here. I've got a few things to spray, but this is what the doors are going to look like here. And they're about ready to go in. We got to put a few things on. I got to spray this wainscot here, put those doors on here this morning, and get them ready to go out the door. We got most of it loaded up. There's a few things here left to load up yet, but we'll be getting that tomorrow morning and head on over there. Let's get to spraying. I'll show you how it's done. This wainscot panel, I sprayed this about an hour and a half ago, and it's already pretty much dry. It's too wet to load yet, but we'll probably put it over there and get it ready to go. job here has several glass doors which we have to put on, and then there's also quite a few base doors yet left to hinge and put on, so we're going to work on getting those hinged right now. This is a dust collection here, which pulls the dust through here up and out into the bin outside. This machine has a air-assisted press here, which holds the door down, and when you hit the cycle button, it drills. And then once you put the hinge on, it presses the hinge into the holes each drill. Pretty slick machine, works real well. Get some of these done here real quick. Now, double doors like this, we're going to drill one on each end at the preset location, then drill one in the center. Here I've got a spot right here. I'm just eyeballing the center of this door up with this rail here. That's one I kind of like. I like the ones like that. Let's get some of these last cabinets here wrapped up so we can get them loaded on Monday morning. I actually came in on today's a Saturday to get things just finished sprayed, get the hinges ready to go on, get some cabinets on some doors, and get everything ready to load Monday morning. So when Joe comes in, we can just throw it in the truck and we're all ready to start doing demo at their house. Let's put this door on. They already pre-drilled the holes for me, so all I gotta do is line up the hinges and screw them on. This is Hickory, so it's really hard, so we always pre-drill, but Hickory you definitely want to pre-drill because it will go in real well. Let's get some bumpers for this one. Now we use these rubber bumpers here. I kind of like the ones that we're using. They have a little raised spot there if you can see it, so when it hits, it doesn't slam. It kind of has a softer, relaxed stop to it when it goes in, just like that. Let's put these other ones on. Okay, I located all the parts I need to put this cabin together here. I don't want to fumble through putting the wrong doors on, look like an idiot here. So I already got them predetermined. They're all ready to go on. So let's put these on and we'll show you how it's going to look. In here is they're a square drive screw, so they stick real well on these bits and they don't fall off, which is great. On the glass doors we did a matching interior so that when they're all lit up, the inside there will all be the same color, but on the lower section it's just natural birch, which is our standard finish. We use all 3/4 birch plywood here, and so we don't use any particle board, no paper cover particle board. It's all plywood, birch plywood, and birch 1/4 backer, so it all matches. That's what that's going to look like. A couple bumpers to put on here, and this is ready to load. When it comes to, we don't get too crazy in the shop here adjusting doors because they're really going to need adjusted in the field anyway. So rather than spend the time doing it here and then doing it there, we just tend to just do it on site. But yeah, the gap needs to be brought closer together, but that's pretty much the way it's going to look like until it gets there. Let's do some glass doors. I was out measuring a job today, so I forgot my tape measure in my truck, so I stole Trevor's tape measure. Hopefully he doesn't notice, but he probably knows till he sees this video, so we'll try to put back where we found it. We'll get these doors on here, and these will be done. So we got a base cabinet here with 2 rollouts. They are adjustable in height, and it's got a drawer here with soft close features. Then they wanted to add this, which is pretty much a cutting board. She doesn't want to use it for a cutting board. She wants to use it for additional countertop seating. This is going to be at the island, so we incorporated these. I set this shape up on the CNC to cut out. That way it'll slide in and out of this upper tray area here, and I think that'll work out good for her. She wants just to have a little bit additional pull-out area there, so we accommodate whatever specialty features people want. That's nice about getting a custom kitchen is it's going to be custom. You don't get this in a off-the-shelf big box store kitchen. So let's put these doors here and get these couple cabinets ready to go. This would be the right side of the island. This other one's the left side of the island, so they're pretty much a mirror image of themselves. If you notice, both cabinets on the finished side have an outlet. We cut those out with our CNC. So they're already cut in. The box is already in place, so all we gotta do is run a few wires and put an outlet in. Try to make it as easy as possible on the job site. We can do it here, we're going to take care of it here. Some things you can't anticipate, but we know there's going to be outlets in the island, so that we can anticipate. This cabinet here you might have recognized from being assembled earlier. Now we're putting the doors on it. It just needs some rollouts. The rollouts need to be put in and it's ready to go. Okay, let's grab these doors here. We're pretty much ready to load this and get it on the job site. On Monday morning, we'll be going to the job site, which they gave us permission to film there. Disclaimer though, I told Lee he had to make sure that he was dressed and ready to go in the morning, and he said no guarantees on not catching his underwear. So I told his wife, make sure Lee has clothes on when we get there. They're a fun couple. They'll be a lot of fun. They're getting this Rustic Hickory kitchen, and so we'll be there to demo the old kitchen, set up, and put in the new kitchen template, and hopefully get counters going here early next week. So catch that next video. If you want to, please like and subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you can see that video as it comes out. It'll be coming out shortly. See you then.